going to be one of my new bird tables, but for the bigger birds, like jackdaws, starlings, woodpigeons. The collared doves can get into the sidewall, and they do their best to get in my other bird tables, but they do struggle because of the height of them, because they are mainly designed, you know, for the smaller birds and everything like that. So we managed to get the grass cut yesterday with the aid of borrowing next door's lawnmower. Didn't have a grass box on it, but I like to, as much as I like grass for my compost and everything like that, I always think the first cut you should let the grass mulch the grass, if you know what I mean. You should just sort of let the grass mulch the grass and just give it back to the lawn, you know, especially the first cut. It was nice having a wild meadow. I mean, I've left 4 inches down one side that won't ever get cut. That encourages more wildflowers to come and things like that. I'd do the inside of the roof another day, but basically I'm just doing the inside today. So I'll do the inside of all the posts. I mean, I can't see what I'm doing, but just go like that and I'm sure it'll get some cover on. I suppose we could carefully, because I've got no I've done the inside, so I could do this side. Because I'll have to do the bottom of it as well, so like I say, this is going to be for the bigger birds. So I'm looking forward to that. Really can't wait to get more cameras, really. Much as I video my garden, my growing success and things like that, my main blog I do is meant to be garden wildlife, and just recently it's only been like my growing and things, which is nice, don't get me wrong, but I thought I would do my bit to make sure I either include the birds feeding or some of the projects I'm hoping. Not sure when we'll be able to do a pond, because we've got pipe work apparently underneath the lawn, and if I suddenly start going digging a hole, I might cause a problem. So That's something I do not really want to do. So I'm going to let this look dry for a bit. And then we'll do the other side when it's dried. Hope you all had a nice weekend. It was a scorcher, wasn't it? Weather-wise, it really was. On the Sunday, we had thunderstorms Saturday. So that's all I can do at the moment, actually. Me being clever, I think, is me. Not that clever, because I haven't really got the room here to turn it round. Now it's going to be unsafe. So we'll just leave that for now. Right, as you can see, we've got the main area cut again now, which is really nice. Now all that side there, we're going to leave. That's my... Now Chocolate has got my tea towel for a change instead of a stick, but never mind. And Bessie's coming up to say hello. Say hello. So as you can see, I mean, all this is quite high at the moment. Quite high. The middle was a little bit higher. Just got poppy coming up there. I will be adding some more wildflowers to it as well. Woodpecker hasn't actually gone into his home yet. Must fill up the thing. Squirrel hasn't gone into his feeding station yet, or I haven't seen him. Lots of little birds twittering about in the trees, which is nice. But yes, fruit coming on the fruit trees. I'm waiting for the long feeder to get empty first before I fill it up. But yes, things are coming along lovely. Davy's maple doing alright. I got the other day. I mean, the wild grass is coming lovely along the wild section here. Had to gnomes. I'm going to move some of the stingers and nettles from the perennials because they're just taking over. I mean, because I'm standing here, you can see the purple flowers, but some of the other things are just so high that you can hardly see them. I think they're about spent, but the bees like going on them and things like that. So I might cut them and they might flourish again. I'll just let the tulips die off naturally. And things like that. So we'll just see how this goes. There's just a few too many stingers really that are overcrowding, but while the bees are loving all the flowers, I'm not going to just take the heads off. I will take some of them that I've spent, and I think they're meant to grow back up again, but I don't want to risk it sometimes, because if I cut them down low then they don't come up, then I'll be disappointed. But those red ones are really doing well. As I say, I'm not sure, you know, I mean, lovely thing, but I can't see it flowering. As I say, whatever I've got underneath here is being covered. The bees, I know, like stingers, and the dandelions are so tall. I never realised how tall the dandelions could get, to be honest. And, you know, it's just one haven, you know, of stingers and things, but then you can't see the other flowers that I've got in there. So I've got to do something really so that we can see the other flowers we've got. I mean, I've got some over there. So as much as I like stingers and things, they're going to have to come out because they're just covering my other plants, unfortunately. So I have to get a thick pair of gloves on to move them. So that's them. Don't think as yet, even though I've got spider webs everywhere else, we've actually got a spider in the spider web. But never mind. Yeah, stingers taking over. Can't quite see if my boot's doing it what it's meant to be doing. But yes, we're going to have to do something. And chocolate, you're not meant to be eating that. Oh yes, for Gary, I said I'd do a close-up of my bug hotel. I can't find the one that was, oh yes I can. You go in there and look in there closely. That has been filled up. But I'm not sure if it's a mason bee in there or another bee at all. So if you can tell me what type of bee will be coming under there, I'll be grateful. Can't see anything else in any of these. Gonna make another one. We'll put one elsewhere. But there you go, Gary. Like a broken pot. Chocolate! I mean, Beth, stop it. Do some more water. This is where our two rescue hedgehogs come and feed. There's a hole behind, and I do have this door open over night time, so they can come in and out. But I will put Rover 1 in there because I haven't actually seen them myself since we released them. You can hear the lovely bird song, it's amazing. Can't see them. I think we've had a couple of robins in the dovecot and one or two in the other ones, but as I say, as we get more cameras, I plan to put camera's on the outside. I can't show off my small boxes. I cannot, and the bees and things just love coming round here. They just will not stop coming around here. I'm going to have to put a small pebble in or something, because I rescued a bumblebee earlier. So I think I need to put a stone or something in there so they can land safely. I've thrown some lettuce on top of this lot of rocket potatoes. As you know, I emptied them the other day and they had hardly grown at all. I think it's because they were over there in the shade, and even when it rains it doesn't help. Now, I'm not sure what's happening with my broad beans here, and that's just the leaves. They've all flowered. Got some sort of thing on them. So I've got one or two beans forming. Got a load of ants on them actually. But I do hope pardon me. Do hope that we will get some broad beans. Can't actually see any on here at the moment. I can see one or two forming like here, but they're not, I don't think they're ready. We've had flowers and everything, but I just can't. Oh wow, I'll say that one might be ready. Wow. Apart from that, it's got a load of red stuff over it. That is quite a big one. Probably because I didn't realise it was there. But we can't moan at that one for a bean. Been keeping an eye on them. Oh, hold on, I can see another one. As Donna said the other day, you have to sort of go ground level to have a look. My asparagus doing well. Chard, rhubarb. Something's eating my rhubarb, but I did disturb her, and something looks like it's eating my artichokes as well. Not sure what it's eating. Just having a look on this side. No, I can't see any more at the moment, but these two aren't bad for starters. As I say, somebody's eating my chard and my rhubarb. The leaves seem to have been attacked by, sorry, I don't have my globe artichoke. As I say, I've got some peas in here, I've got some sweet corn, and I've got some celery, but I must sort out these weeds as well. My carrots are starting to come through. Beetroot, some more lettuce. My calendula is coming through. If we look at the garden connect bed, we've got one or two things coming through. I'm still waiting for my parsley. I believe that might be my parsley just coming up now. I've got tomato there I need to tie in again. Calendula and a carrot again. Lettuce. I don't think anything's coming up on that last one there. But that's looking good. Got the labels, I've just got to go nearer to see what they are. not sure what's gone wrong with my onions. They're not straight or anything. As you can see, something's having a field day with the leaves of my potatoes, and I haven't tried these ones yet, but something certainly is having a field day eating them. So I'm not sure what's going on with my onions. If anyone can tell me what's going on, I'll be grateful. Put a new wigwam thing up to climb. I believe it's courgette. I'm really not sure. But as you can see, I've got something eating quite a lot of my things. I put my Brussels sprouts in, and I think I've got a bit mixed up with my kale and everything, because I didn't mark it, and I just chomped some of the leaves off yesterday along with the kale to make a smoothie. I made a kale smoothie. But on the whole, everything is growing well. I do worry that, you know, all this lovely tree is too much shade. You know, I think it is. But we'll see. During this, it does get some sun, and it is nice. But we'll just see how it goes. Not sure what to put on. I have got some stinging nettles soaking, so I might give them a feed of that, because I've obviously got something that's causing a problem and wanting to eat my stuff. And of course, when you plant underneath trees, you're going to have their seeds and everything keep dropping through and everything like that. So there you go. As you can see, I've managed to shade with an aid of a spray bottle and everything. I've managed to shade. Now I have got chocolate. No, I have planted my hydrangeas either side of this packing box. It was originally going to be a herb planter, but until I've got my herbs, I put my strawberries in. They were in the greenhouse, just in a margarine tub, and I didn't think they were gonna fruit in there. As you can see, a lot of fruit on there, on that main one, and I've got some rosemary. So I can't remember what these lovely flowers are coming out, but they're nice. Need to reweed in here, but the grapevine's doing good. You can just about see my blackcurrant, and that's meant to be a bush, and that's doing good. I have got, if I look carefully, some gooseberries coming along, and I've got some raspberries coming along over there. We'll have a quick look in the greenhouse. So apple trees over there are doing well. Got one or two seedlings still coming up. That's the dwarf green kale over there. I've got some walking stick cabbage over there. Tomatoes looking good here. Some pak choy here. But on the whole, everything seems to be coming along. And I've got some wildflowers. No, they're not wildflowers, but they're teasel and Canterbury bells under there. Don't mean they're quite ready for putting on yet, but we're doing great. Just have it like that. I don't think it's hot enough yet. And if we turn round, now I have to come inside. I'm trying to stop chocolate coming inside. And the temperature, if you can just about see, is around about 20. Come on, Charlotte, in. In when I mean out. And I've put my blueberries in here, but they don't seem to be doing any good at all. I dug them up from outside, even though they were in Ericosia. So Tony, you're not on your own with your blueberries. I know you've got about 3 or 4 lovely ones, but this is the third lot of blueberries that I have had failure with. My very first blueberry, that was hilarious. I'm refilling this up because I didn't make sure I could have a loop on it to take it off. So let me refill the cone with seed and lard. But as you see, if you look at, I've left it in a pot, but apart from the weeds, I cannot see any blueberry growth coming from it. I thought I'd just leave it in the pot and see what happens. But no, I can't see any growth coming on it. So I might give them up as a bad thing, but I definitely need to come and do some weeding shortly. So I say bye for now, and we'll speak again soon.